Hello everybody, welcome back again to my channel. This is Stella's Secret Place, again saying hello to every one of you. Guys, you can see the yummy, beautiful picture in front of you, and I have to tell you how I got to this point. This is what we call lentil MoiMoi. Lentil is a legume and it is low in calories. It does not have much calorie. It is also rich in iron and folate and is also an excellent source of protein. It is very, very healthy. Okay guys, it is just like a beans that is very rich in protein. It is very easy to cook. You can make it in several ways. You can make it in soup form. You can make it like a porridge in addition to any other thing, like you can add potato, whatever thing you want to add to it. But today I decided to make it in form of MoiMoi. Since you can use beans to make MoiMoi, when I mean MoiMoi, I mean like a bean cake. So this is lentils in form of a cake. Okay guys, I will go ahead and tell you the process that I use in making it. I want to appreciate every one of you that always come to watch my video. Those of you that passes by, I just want to say thank you and continue to watch my video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the pack that I used. This is the lentil that I use, and the name brand is Iberia. They have all kind of brands, but they are all the same. They have I think Goya make some, and different stores as well have their different brands. I think I bought this from Walmart or Publix, I can't remember, but whichever brand it is, they are all the same. It's just the name. So over here you can see that I have washed it. Although I still have like little coats on it, the shafts, a lot of them went out, but I still have quite a few. It's not that much, which is okay. If you can do better than this, go ahead. So I try to clean it out properly. So here it is in my blender. I'm getting ready to blend the ones that were already washed. You can see it in the blender. So now I have to blend it with a little bit of water. You blend it, it has to be very, very smooth. And it is quite easy because after washing it, you see that it is soft. It is softer than the beans, the black-eyed peas. So you blend with a little bit of water and you add the stuff that you want to use in cooking it. So now these are the things I want to add to it. I have the bell pepper, onion, and the habanero. That is habanero. Some call it Scotch bonnet. But that bell pepper, I'm just going to take a little bit of it because you can see the quantity of the lentils that I am preparing. So I don't want to overwhelm it with the red bell pepper. So everything is washed. I have to add it to the lentil that has already been blended. but it is not smooth enough to my liking. So I have to add every other thing in it so that they will all blend together. Yeah, so now is you can tell that it is very smooth. It has properly blended well, and I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil. That is what I'm going to use to prepare this. I didn't measure the quantity. When you cook a lot, you can eyeball your measurements. So I know the quantity that I want. I did not measure it, but I can tell when to stop and when to add more. I have a chicken bouillon to add to it, just to add a little bit of seasoning, like to add a little bit of taste. I use more of this because I don't want to use a lot of salt. So that is added, and I have to mix it very well so that it can combine together with the blended lentil. So I'm going to add salt. That is a sea salt. I'm going to add salt to it, and you have to mix very well after adding it. That is quite a little, because sea salt is not that really harsh, and it's not really harsh, so I like to use it as well. So I'm going to break in 2 eggs into it. Like I always said, I don't like to boil my egg and put it in what I'm cooking again. That will make it overcook. Oops, one of the shell fell in, but definitely it is out. I have brought it out as I'm mixing it. So the eggshell is out, because when you have broken piece of shell in your food, oh my god, just try and get it out. Now everything is mixed, it is ready. I am ready to start distributing it into the little cup, into the foil plates that I'm going to use to steam it. I'm distributing it into the quantity. I'm adding extra because I don't want, it's not much, so I used about 5 of those foil plates to cook it. So I don't want the remaining one, I don't want to use additional plates, so I have to add it to the ones that I had already put. I just want to put everything together. Yes, I have to wipe down the remaining ones in the cup. Yes, because you don't want to waste it. So clean it out properly. Very good. Bring everything out. What is the essence of wasting it? No, there's no need to waste it. Clean out everything with your hands, and that will add to it. There's no need of washing it away. Come on, this adds to it. Oh yes, I have to distribute everything. I have to bring everything out from the plate. Yes, we don't accept wastage. So now I can easily wash that plate away instead of leaving the remnants. So here in the pots, I am setting them in the pots. I have about 4 4 or 5 of them in that pot, and that is it. So you can sight my egg. I'm still boiling extra egg because I like to eat my MoiMoi, my bean cake, my lentil cake with my boiled egg. I'm trying to see if they are cooked. It doesn't take that much time to cook. About 30-35 minutes is okay because it is steamed. You see, it is cooked. It doesn't take that much. So this is the end result of the lentil beans. It is ready. You garnish it in any way you like. I like to garnish my food. That is the boiled egg, and I have some chopped bell pepper. I like to eat fresh bell pepper, green or red, and I have a spring onion on it. I have a little bit of red onion. I usually like the white one, but that is the one I have, the red one, but it's a little bit stained because I don't like the after effect of eating onion, the smell that comes out from it. So those are the things I added to it, and I'm telling you, this is very good. We need to add more proteinous food into our menu. It tasted good. You can see how delicious, how yummy it is looking. I'm telling you, that was good. When I ate it, my kids, they love it. Usually when they see me cooking this kind of thing, they are like looking from afar. But when it was ready, when they saw it like this on the plate, that was very, very inviting, and they ate it because they saw that it was good, and I'm telling you, it was good. So lentil beans, this is lentil beans. Like I said, you can use it in different ways. You can cook it with as a porridge. You can add a potato, whatever thing you want to add to it. And that is it, guys. Thank you all for watching, for coming along with me. It's been a long journey with you guys. I do appreciate. Please always like, subscribe, and share my video. God bless.